Hey everyone, so for this video, we will be talking about identities. And for the last video, I've talked about laws of indices. So what are identities? So identities are shortcuts that help us expand or factor expressions quickly. So there's three laws you gotta remember, and there's two optional laws that you can remember. So the first law will be the perfect square identity. So the law states that if you have bracket a plus b bracket squared, it actually equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And if you have a minus, then you'll have a minus here. And remember that a plus b squared doesn't equal to a squared plus b squared. Remember, there's a plus sign here, so you can't just distribute this power 2 in a and b. The second law will be difference of squares. So law 2, difference of squares. So the identity states that if you have a squared minus b squared, so it actually equals to bracket a plus b close bracket multiply bracket a minus b. So this identity is actually very important when you're going for grade 10 to grade 12 math. It's like a must-do fundamental. And there is actually, I'll just state because I forgot. So if I'm making this clearer, so there's the perfect square, and there is actually, I'll draw the third one out too. I'll write the third one out too, so it's minus. So same thing, there's a thing squared, and there's a minus b squared. So this actually equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So remember, there's a minus, there's a plus here, and there's a minus there. So these three are the must-learn laws for high school. Not for high school, but for grade 10 math. So there are two optional identities that if you can remember them, that actually would be very good for your grade 11 and grade 12 math class. So there's optionals. Optional. There's law. The first law will be sum of cubes. So the law states that if you have a to the power a cubed plus b cubed, it will actually equal to bracket, I'll write this in a different color, bracket a plus b and close bracket, and multiplied with a squared minus AB plus B squared. This will be the identity. This one actually looks harder because there's cubes inside. There's A cubed plus B cubed, but there's a pattern. And for the last optional law, we have the difference of cubes. So it's A cubed minus B cubed. So this actually equals to bracket A minus B and multiplied with A squared plus AB plus B squared. So these 5 laws are actually the identities with polynomials that you'll use throughout high school. And I'll do a few practice questions. Let me just move this away, move to here, and there are examples. So the first one will be x plus 2 squared. So if you remember the perfect squared identity, so it says that a plus b squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So you'll have, so this one, the a is this, and b will be 2. So it'll equal to, I'll write it with, let me see, so there's a bracket, and there's x, close bracket, and squared, and plus 2 bracket x, and the other one will be 2 plus, plus, and we have another bracket again, 2 squared. So for the final answer, we'll have x squared plus 4x plus 4. For the second question, we'll have x minus 6 squared. So we have x as a and 6 as b. So we'll have x squared and minus 2 bracket x and bracket 6 and plus 6 squared, and this will be x squared minus 12x plus 36, and this will be the final answer. And for the third question, we'll have, let's see, x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 5. And when you see the pattern, a plus b multiplied with a minus b, then you'll know its difference of squares. So this will equal to, x squared minus 5 squared. And the final answer will be x squared minus 25. Okay, these are the 3 practice questions for the must-use identities in high school. And for the next lesson, I'll be talking about factorization of polynomials. I think this topic is one of the most important topics throughout like the whole high school, because in every year you gotta factorize like probably like a million equations throughout like the class. So that's it for this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully you can share this video to your peers or friends, and see you on the next one.